Welcome to another episode of Tooling Tuesdays. We're here at the Pack Expo working with customers in secondary packaging and manufacturing. Customers all over every industry trying to figure out ways to get to market faster. We're working with this client, pretty cool application here we did with our SAP technology. Customer was originally having this injection molded. And what this is, it's actually a vacuum seal that comes down on the robotic arm and holds the vacuum and moves the package from A to B. Their customer had very specific design reiterations and constantly having challenges with having to redesign the tool for this application. It came to us, we did a cost analysis and realized our SAP technology would really lend itself to this application. And it was a great find for them. The volumes were perfect. They're saving plenty of money and getting to market significantly faster.